Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I'm Rhonda of Rhonda Said, and I hope you're having a super fantastic, great, special, wonderful day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I appreciate you very much. Today I have a brand new palette from an indie brand called Klarity Kosmetics, and we're looking at the Evil Mermaid palette. And it is stunning, and it's in colors that I don't use a lot. I'm not usually into the blues, but there's some purples and greens and teals in here that just were calling my name, and I just had to get a hold of it and get my little fingers in there. And speaking of getting my little fingers in the palette, here's what the swatches look like. Look at those shimmers. Look at those mattes. Those shimmers are to die for. So I'm going to try to do a kind of simple, look with this very bright and beautiful palette, which is out of my comfort zone, and try to put something together that looks a little pretty. I'd like to look a little pretty with my blue tie-dye on. I'm totally in the right outfit for this. So here we go. Klarity Kosmetics with a K and a K. Klarity K, Kosmetics K. K. Anyway, I hope you're having, like I said, a great day. It is a really mellow day here in the Cat Manor, the House of 1,000 Cats. Sorry, we only have 4, but it seems like a lot. And I'm going to go into Beaches Be Crazy, this kind of muted green-blue color. I'm going to try that and go soft. I went very easy into the pan because this stuff is pretty pigmented. I'm going to go easy into the pan again. And it's very pretty. It's kind of a dusty blue, green color. I don't know the right color to say for it. I didn't look at my Crayolas before this video, but that looks really pretty so far. And I'm going to go in with Get Off My Tail, this green shimmer here. I'm going to use kind of a flat brush for that because it'll pick up the shimmer nice and easy. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Look at that shine. That shine is everything. I'm going to do it on the other side as well. I wish my eyes were the same size and shape, but alas, they are not, so they always look a little different. But this is just gorgeous. And that is so pretty. And what am I going to do to top this off? Well, I'm going to go into another color. And these colors are stunning. I think I'm going to go into Murky Waters here. That's beautiful. That looks really cool. I'm going to do it on the other side. And that's very beautiful. There is a little touch of shadow that dropped below, so I'm going to get in here and get a little Q-tip. Easier said than done. I took care of that. Took care of that. This looks so pretty. Just look at that color. Look at this shimmer. It's beautiful. And I'm just going to keep this look simple. And I'm going to put my eyeliner on, which is from House Labs, the punk color with a little felt tip. And I'll be right back. And voila, we have lashes and liner done with some mascara. I'm thinking I need to put a little bit more of Get Off My Tail on this side. There we go. That looks much better. Much better. And that is just a beautiful look. And I'm loving it. And I'm going to put a nice neutral lip on, which is number 65 Seductress from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And there we have it, a beautiful look from a new palette called Evil Mermaid. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.